Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and as you can see in the background, there's an amazing lavender field, and that's because we're talking about doTERRA, Young Living, as well as Melaleuca Company's lavender essential oil. And the benefits of doTERRA lavender is that it soothes occasional skin irritation and is very calming and relaxing to the mood. The benefits of Young Living's lavender is that it supports skincare routines and it promotes a more peaceful mood. And then the benefits of Melaleuca's lavender is that it can help condition skin or be used as a natural fragrance and also provides a luxurious aromatic experience. And you can see that the benefits can carry over between brands, but it's kind of interesting to see how each company describes their own benefits. And then when it comes to uses, doTERRA lavender has threefold, so you can diffuse aromatically. You have the petal diffuser, you have the aroma light diffuser, as well as the Lumo diffuser as some options. You can also add 4 drops per 16 ounces of RO or reverse osmosis or alkaline water, and then you can add 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil and add to your face or reflex points in the bottoms of your feet, as well as under your wrists or behind your ears are a couple really good spots. And then when it comes to Young Living's lavender, it has 2 main uses, so that's used in a diffuser throughout the day or the night. And then you can also dilute with a carrier oil and use topically on your skin after a shower or before stepping outside. And then Melaleuca Company's lavender has 2 uses as well, very similar to Young Living's. So you can diffuse for aromatic use or breathe in from your hands. And then you can also massage onto your forehead, scalp, or temples with a carrier oil. When it comes to the price, doTERRA's lavender is $28 retail for that 15 mil, which again is roughly 250 drops. Or you can get it for $21 wholesale. And I do have other videos that cover the difference between retail and wholesale, as well as essential oil kits and kind of what's the best option based on your needs and goals. And then when it comes to Young Living's lavender, it's important to note that you'll have to see the vitality line for the actual internal use. And that 5 ml bottle, as an example, is $15.79 retail. So you can see that the price for Young Living is overall just more than doTERRA, whether it's retail or wholesale. And then when it comes to Melaleuca Company's lavender, the important note is that they do not have internal use recommendations on the label. And then the price is $28 for regular members, which is the same as doTERRA's. And then it's $14.50 for preferred members, which is the least expensive option. But you do have to do a little bit more to earn that price, which is why that asterisk there. And so I'll have more information in the description below. And then other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the playlists as well as videos in my description below. So whether you're with a company, on the fence, or kind of outside looking in, you can gain more perspective about what each company offers. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.